Hello guys, welcome back. I'm here for a very small Marshall's haul. I would have done a taste test, but I've already eaten the popcorn. If you're up at the front of the store and you see the strawberry shortcake popcorn, make sure you get it. It is so good. It's like $5 for the bag, but it's good. And their macarons, Candace said they're a cheap impression of the real thing. I don't like the slimy, gooey jelly filling in the real macarons. I'd rather have like icing, straight up icing. I'll show you what they look like. We can do a taste test of that. Hold on. These are the champagne ones. No, guys, I'm not really drinking champagne during the day on a Monday. But these are the Curenero, Curenero macaron filled with champagne flavored cream. And they're $4.99. And you'll find them back by the snacks. Actually, they had them up front this time too. And they're cute. I think I like these better. She's like, they're too crunchy. I like the crunch. They look like that. And it's like straight up icing. Mm-hmm. It's so good. So good. But I like them. It is, I'll tell you how much sugar. In two pieces. Where is it? 15 grams in two. The ingredients are, oh my God. But you guys, this is a health food channel, right? We eat healthy. Just trust me. It's sugar, almond flour, egg whites, sorbitol syrup, soy proteins, rice starch, sunflower oil, vegetable fiber, potassium sorbate, lecithin, emulsifying citric acid to promote addiction, acidification, xanthan, cream filling is base custard, sugar, white chocolate, cocoa butter, whey milk powder, tartaric acid. Yeah, this isn't good for you. Listen, okay? We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die somehow. Let it be by food. No, I'm just kidding. Just arriving soon. My burger, my very healthy, no trans fat, no oil burger will be here soon. This is the Sand and Fog Candy Cloud Collection. Oh my goodness. So they had the set with the Marshmallow Skies with the solid perfume. I want to go back and get it. I should have gotten it, but they were $14.99. I didn't want to spend a bunch of money. But it has Candy Cloud, Marshmallow Skies, Vanilla Sugar, and Strawberry Shake. All my favorite gourmands. Except the lemon. I need the lemon. And banana. So Sand and Fog is supposed to be the best. But it says, Candy Cloud days drifted into marshmallow skies, painting the world in soft, sweet hues. Hold on, I gotta rip that. A hint of vanilla sugar lingered in the air, warm and inviting. And somewhere close by, the playful scent of Strawberry Shake promised pure, simple joy. And Candy Cloud is marshmallow, coconut milk, whipped cream, and caramel. Marshmallow Skies is strawberry, raspberry, marshmallow, and vanilla. Vanilla Sugar is almond, peach, vanilla, orchid, and caramel. Strawberry Shake is strawberry, whipped cream, orange blossom, and vanilla. I'm excited about these, y'all. If I do like the marshmallow, see, the thing is, I wanted to smell the marshmallow before I went ahead and bought. The marshmallow one came with the travel size, the solid perfume balm, which I really like, and the small one like this. So let's smell marshmallow first, because this is all over social media, but like I said, I'm not all over social media. I'm Lissa Shops, and I'm the smart one on YouTube. Don't laugh. It's really not that funny. But look how cute! Look how cute she is. Why has it got to be a roller ball? Can't they do a sprayer? Ooh, it is good though. It's definitely a skin. Roll that shit all over the place. Cover up them veins with shiny. Oh, God, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Now I need to go back and get it because it has the spray. That's exactly what I wanted. I thought these were sprays. Does it say rollerball? Eau de perfume oil. They only had one left. It was up at the register because I had them put it away. Here's the candy cloud. Yeah, the marshmallow skies. I smell all the notes in that. I think. Wait, let me look at it again. Strawberry, raspberry. Yeah, it's blended very well to make it smell like a strawberry. Here's the candy cloud. I have to put all these on. Marshmallow, coconut milk, whipped cream, and caramel. We were on vanilla sugar on this, I think, but I really do like these. And the scent is still there because it's an oil, and I like oil because it's so hydrating to your skin. Okay. Vanilla sugar. What are the notes of this one again? It is almond, peach, vanilla, orchid, and caramel. It's funny how they put like a floral in there, isn't it? Oh, that's good. It's almost like, what is it, rock sugar or candy rock sugar from Kylie? That's what I'm getting, exactly. It's a one-on-one. Yeah, I'll definitely pair these two. Because the Kylie, I always get just the little tiny ones because I only wear my expensive perfumes on a rare occasion. So this is a good one to have as a backup. And honestly, there's a lot of good dupes of any of the Kylie. You don't need to go out and spend $1 million on Kylie. Trust me, okay. This is the strawberry shake, and it is strawberry, whipped cream, orange blossom, and vanilla. Ooh, that's good. And it's like a grown-up strawberry shake. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Come on, baby, you know what I like. Shake it real funky, shake till you can't shake it no more. It's the shake. Okay, sorry. I mean, they're all layerable. Let me mix it with this one. Oh yeah, that's gorge. That's definitely. You know what? I take that back about what I said about the Five Below haul. I mean, get this for your teenager for their Easter basket. And they're like not generic at all. These Sand and Fog is a good brand. And I picked this up at Marshall's. And Marshall's and TJ Maxx, I think, is the same ownership. Damn, that is real good. And then get some of these macarons. The champagne, they have champagne strawberry. I think like the vanilla. These are $4.99. Get something like that. They're so cute. So that is my Marshall's haul. Thank you guys so very much for your support. And I definitely, we did get 2 pairs of kid shoes. We got some New Balances running shoes, like athletic shoes for my 8-year-old for $69, which is a steal for the actual athletic New Balance shoes. They're like a blue and silver. They're really nice. And then we got Will a pair of New Balances. They're not running shoes, but they're good. Like he can run in them, but they're not for like trainers, I guess you want to say. And they're real bright. They got like a fluorescent strap. I love the like highlighter look, the real bright. His shoes, I think, were $29, I believe. Like all the basketball players, they have them like neon, like green, neon yellow. I love that stuff. But anyway, that's what we got at Marshall's. And then we got that strawberry shortcake popcorn. They also had a key lime pie popcorn. So maybe when I go back, I'm going to go back and get that. I have to get it. The Marshmallow Skies set that was $14.99. Because I had the spray. I didn't know these were all roller balls. It didn't say it on the package. So anyway, definitely don't ever forget about those places. Now, a lot of times I know when you go in store, everything's all jacked up. People steal the lids from things. You can't even buy it. Five Below is the same way. Yeah. If you need to, order it online. You do pay shipping, but your product has not been messed with. Well, this wasn't even open. It was sealed. So, but I mean, the boxes of perfumes, people open them and test them out, you know, even though there's already a tester there. They're that lazy that they have to open a brand new box. That really pisses me off. Don't do that. But anyway, thank you again for being here. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit your bell notification so you're aware when I do these live. Because almost every haul I do nowadays is on a live. You're getting the views, you're getting conversation while you're filming. If I'm just filming, I'm pretty bored. So anyway, thank you guys again, and check out my new merch. This is not on there yet, but the mugs are on there. t-shirts are on there. I'll have the pink ones posted on my eBay very shortly. I just have to get it ready. And then I'll give you guys the link once it's done. But there's white and black ones coming in too. So I will see you guys soon. Love y'all. Bye.